Welcome to myprojectbazaar.com. Now we can going to discuss about the project Techno-Economic Feasibility Analysis of Solar Photovoltaic Power Generation, a review. Now we can going to discuss about the abstract of our project. First we can going to mainly focus on our solar panels. Our solar panels are connecting the large number of solar cell arrays connected in series. So we can using for a substitute to cell arrays we can using the in our solar panel, and some values to given to voltage open circuit and current short circuit will given that. Uh, Another thing we can see about the our adaptive neurophysics inference systems and mainly control the entire system of the our our systems. So we can, another thing we can contributing the for voltage source converter, because of solar is generating power of DC to AC converter. So we can focus to voltage source converter of given the switching pulses. Because of the switching pulses is an very efficient, our system also efficient. The system is an balance and unbalanced of, so this is an switching pulses and reason for that. um, in order to mitigate the negative impact of our load voltage, so adaptive neurophysics inference systems and closed loop path and a conventional voltage source converter to control the reference current gains are equivalent to voltage unbalanced factor, and the reference current to obtain the add-on control and add to the output reference voltage. It isn't using for the negative reference voltage will given to input of our voltage source converter. So we can experimental analysis will given to the conventional process to using for that adaptive neurophysics inference system to control the our voltage source converter. The voltage source converter control the our solar panels DC to AC conversion process will deliver to the load. Next we can going to discuss about the flow diagram of the project. First we can see about the renewable resource. The RAC is an renewable energy system. So we can first say there's a microgrid, and another thing is a solar panel and some wind turbine. So these trees are one of the renewable resource. I say that again we can say for is commonly connected to the common AC bus. The common AC bus connected to interface the loads. We can connect the different types of loads. The loads are different types of loads of domestic load and industrial load. Domestic load for single phase load and the industrial load for three phase load. So we can using for DC to AC converter is because of its a common negative sequence is connected that, and it is adaptive neurophysics inference systems control the entire switching pulse to given the reference input of PWM. The PWM pulses given to the delivered to the our DC to AC converter. So this is our convenient process of the our DC to AC converter, and this DC to AC converter is passing to common bus. The common bus is integrated to the our different types of loads. The different types of loads some consume the power of single phase load or three phase load. Just analysis for our loads and our resource side, and DC to AC converter pulsing also we can analyze it. Next we can see about the running process of our product. The proposed system implementation done in MATLAB version 2013A. First, they open a MATLAB file window and creating a new model file and creating elements as per the circuit diagram as for the paper. This is also our circuit diagram of our product. This is all of a renewable energy source, different type of loads. We can see that grid, solar, windmill, the single phase load, three phase load. This is our control circuit of our product. Adaptive neurophysics inference system we can use this area. Next we can see about the results. First we can see about the solar panel. This is an PV characteristics of our solar panel after 230 volt of power generation to generate the power of solar panel. This is our characteristics of input source in the solar panel. Next we can see about the IV characteristics. This is an IV characteristics of our solar panel as that use gradually decreases as the current and voltage, x axis is voltage, y axis is current. As we can see that this is corresponding waveform. Next we can see about the solar panel DC to DC boost converter pulses. This is a control pulses of DC boost converter. This is a saturation region of duty cycle with some saturation region to given our pulses to saturate as the triggering pulses of our DC to DC boost converter as the stages. Next we can see about the control pulse of adaptive neural fuzzy inference system can use it as PWM switching pulses to of the this corresponding waveform. This is an pulse on, pulse off. This is simultaneously corresponding of different duty cycle with the different amplitude levels as that of pulse of different variation levels. Next we can see about the noise voltage. This is our noise voltage of our voltage. You can see that it's a very nice level of our voltage. Some purification process as an amplitude of 20. Next we can see about the noise reduced voltage. We can see that we can purely noise reduction of this process is an voltage unstable cure that is an our system is slightly stable to that.